These are the shortlisted stocks from yesterday. So I shortlisted Sonata Software and Jubilant Foodworks. So I've entered at morning itself, morning 9:15. So it is not advisable for beginners to do this because you have to be pretty quick in your orders. So let's see how far it is going. So I've seen in 1 minute, so it is going to go up only. So let's see. So I've entered at 495, but after some time it has gone down. So do not panic if you are very confident in your strategy, as it is bound to happen anytime. So be sure of your support and resistance of your strategy. If even if it goes down, it will come up if your strategy is at least 60 to 70% accurate. So anyways, have your stop loss and target in GTT, so that you don't have to be tensed and keep tracking it every time. Now it has started some red candle. You see, do not panic. Set your stop loss at previous resistance, previous support, or previous candle low, or whatever your strategy is. Follow one strategy. Do not keep changing your strategies, because whatever strategy you're following, only 60 to 70% will be accurate. So you'll have to follow the strategy along with money management, risk management. So at the end of the month, you will have some profit only if you follow the strategy along with risk management. Now this is ONGC. I've entered it because it has been in the top gainer and top sector. So I've entered it while it has crossed its previous resistance, that is today's resistance. And I also used to check in various time frame analysis things. So be sure to check if it is in the uptrend in both 1 week and 1 month and whatever it is. Check in all time frames and confirm it if it is in the same trend as you are doing it. And another thing is, I do not do short orders, because like if you take an intraday today, if you are confident that it is going to go up and it is going in an uptrend in various time frame analysis, you even if it goes down, you can convert the position into CNC. So and hold it on for how many days you want, how much time you want, you can hold it. So I have bought it near 112, I guess. So let's see how it's going. So 1 month it has okay, it has touched the previous resistance in the monthly time frame. So in the day chart also it has crossed its previous day candle. So I have chosen this stock also. So 3 stocks I have traded this day today, but I couldn't track it today continuously. Had some work, so only at the morning I did this. So ONGC, Sonata and Jubilant Foodworks are my trades today, and I had got around 1.5, no 2, I guess. Okay, around 2% profit altogether, so not bad. So we are aiming for 15% plus for this month, so we'll see. So all the 3 stocks have given profit for me today. I couldn't record some of the movements, so bear with me. So, and also I follow all the free calls. I just follow, and I use it for reference to just confirm my strategy and my prediction. So do not blindly follow anyone. So like a Trading View and Telegram channels and YouTube also, there are so many channels who are giving free calls, so you can see there are so many calls coming. So I'm just checking, confirming it. Okay, there are some other people who are predicting as me, like me, so okay, fine, but these are only for confirmations. So I don't trade using indicators also. I use only pure price action using logic. Only if I understand the logic I can do the trade. So yeah, even if it goes down, don't panic. Only if it hits your stop loss, that would be a concern. But if it didn't, it might come up. So always place your GTT, that is target or target and stop loss, if you are doing it in equity. So Nifty Bank is coming down. So we have to be careful. So this one, FSL, First Source Solutions, this one I have to say that I have been holding this for few days to few weeks. I just bought it at its high. Unfortunately it was in high, but I was pretty sure that it would come back up because of the time frame analysis and other confirmations I used to do. So I holded on to it, and today it is recovering back. So see, I bought it at 105, I guess. So it has gone down up to 90 below. Okay, so now it is coming back again. So if it touches 70, I would have exited. 70 or 80, I would have exited. But now it has reversed, so not a problem. So today it has started giving profits. So for me, equity is comfortable for me, and because you can do the MIS, CNC, whatever it is very flexible. And also we can, if one stock is not going up, we can split the capital into different stocks and put it into different stocks, and we can see that we have so much like options here. In options, in futures and options, it is very options have given me profit for first few months, but after that it has always given me losses. Mild losses have used to come out. So I use only my profit to invest in options. I mean, to trade in options. I do not put my capital into that because it is prone to give so many losses, and it's very volatile. So that's all for today. So I have followed 3 stocks, and 3 has been in gains. So regarding tomorrow stocks, we'll see. So today is like we have seen all these stocks. For tomorrow I have chosen to use weekly breakouts. In weekly breakouts, again Sonata, Heritage Food is there, Raymond, and if you want to use it for daily, you can do the latest with. So day breakout also you can use. So I have used ATR also. ATR, if you want you can disable it. Now we can use. So there are so many stocks here, but I don't think I would want this. So SAIL, Tata Steel, FSL, Aditya Birla Capital. Okay, first few stocks I used to select, and in weekly also we'll see. Okay. Okay. So again ONGC, the same stocks, ONGC, Tata Steel, Sonata Software, Jubilant Foodworks. Okay, we'll see for tomorrow. So ONGC is good. It has given good volume, and also it is not breaking its previous resistance, so we have to wait for that. So next is what we'll see Sonata again. It has given this one consolidation candle, neutral candle, so doji. So I don't trade on this like candle. Okay, and then what else? Jubilant. Jubilant has gone up. Okay, gone up. Then it has come down. So we'll see about that. If it crosses its previous day high, we'll enter. So in addition to that, we'll also see volume. So I've used this. We'll enable it. Volume in the sense last 20. I've used last 20-week volume. If it crosses, we'll consider that. So nothing here. So if you want, you can enable this. At least day volume will be a bit of a confirmation. So ONGC, Tata Power. Okay, Tata Power, we'll see. Yeah, it has given a reversal sign. Okay. So Heritage we use. Okay, Heritage is good, I guess. So we'll see tomorrow. It has broken its previous resistance. Okay. So I'll take Heritage, and whatever it is, I'm sorry. So okay. Nothing. So Tata Steel, again Avenue Supermarts, Raymond, Gale, we'll see. So Gale is also showing some reversal sign, we'll wait. So we'll trade on Heritage mostly, and tomorrow's top gainer and top sector. We'll see, and we should go along with the trend. If it is going on a short side, I don't trade. If it is possible, I trade in options, or else I will see only for the top gainer stocks and sector. If nothing is there, I'll just leave it. So that's all for today. Thank you.